Evaglide H profile is an aluminium curtain track. It's available in 5 colours. We have white, silver, black, gold and bronze. All colours are available with colour coordinated components except for the bronze, where we'll substitute those for black. It's available with a 3 cm universal bracket for top fixing or wall fixing, a ceiling fix bracket for fixing to the ceiling, and an extended 8 cm wall bracket, which is ideal for use with the EasiWave heading. The track is available in a made to measure service, or we can supply it in box quantities for assembly yourself. Very easy to assemble, and it's available with standard carriers or 6 or 8 cm spacing on the EasiWave. We do have stock carriers that provide friction on the leading edge to stop the curtains springing back, so they'll stay stacked where they're supposed to be. We can bend it in-house to a 10 cm radius. The track itself takes up to 6 kilos per metre. It's ideal for high volume contract applications, and it comes with a 10-year warranty.